What is going on YouTube? It is Inspironic100 here, and I was just doing a quick video um, on the server I'm on. Let everyone know. I'm recording.
YouTube.
Sugar, he's the co-owner. Yeah, the owner's on vacation, and well, whatever, admin co-owner. Yeah, I'm talking with David. I'm on Skype, but his voice isn't gonna come through in the video. Okay, anyway, I'm going to we need people in the server. So, yeah, just try and join this server as much as you can. We need a lot of people. It is 30 slots, I think. Yeah, and they're like really in need of people. We actually had, I think, 3 people or just joined a couple minutes ago. But, you know, we need people to join. I don't think there's no banned items. Yeah, David, he's the newly mod. He just got modded. He's the only mod, and if more people join, I might get mod, hopefully, because I donated to the server.
Beauty right there. What's this chest do?
So, yeah, please, I'll link the IP in the description, and that's about it. Good.
Don't judge me.
Oh, yeah, there's also, like, yeah, so please join the server. I'll link this, I'll put the IP in the description, and thank you very much. I'll talk to you guys later. Inspironic out.